Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're continuing with part 3 of our Ram Lalla drawing series. In this session, we'll start by adding detailed shading to the lips and then move on to perfecting the area from below the eye down to the chin. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our artistic journey. Let's dive right in. Let's begin with the lips. Ram Lalla's gentle smile is a crucial part of capturing his divine essence. I'm using subtle shades to create a natural gradient, enhancing the depth and softness. Pay close attention to the curves and highlights to make the lips look realistic and inviting. Let's now focus on the area from below the eye to the chin. This section includes the cheekbones and the jawline. I'm using precise shading and contouring to define these features, emphasizing Ram Lalla's serene expression and strong character. Take your time to blend the shades seamlessly and create a harmonious transition. Moving specifically to the chin, I'm refining its shape and adding subtle shadows to enhance its structure. Ram Lalla's face symbolizes strength and grace, so each stroke is intentional and contributes to capturing his divine presence. Let's kick things. With careful strokes and a keen eye for detail, we'll bring out the soulful gaze that's so iconic. Of the shading process, reveal how subtle changes in pressure and direction create lifelike shadows and contours. Blending is key to a flawless finish. Watch as we blend the transitions from light to shadow, ensuring our drawing radiates realism. By step blending techniques, ensure your Ram Lalla portrait looks as though it's ready to step off the page. It's all in the details. Let's add those final touches, a highlight here, a shadow there to elevate our artwork and bring Ram Lalla to life, and there you have We've made significant progress on our Ram Lalla drawing, focusing first on shading the lips to achieve a lifelike appearance, then detailing from below the eye down to the chin to enhance the overall portrait. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for the next part where we'll continue adding more details to complete our masterpiece. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.